The System Compatibility Report is letting you know that there's a processor in your computer that is either underpowered for this particular version, or the processor is running on a driver that needs to be updated. If you want to see which driver version is causing the System Compatibility Report to appear, select this Export Report button, which will create a text file on your machine with your GPU information written out. The Fix button will take you to a walkthrough of how to update your drivers to a compatible version. It will take you to a different article depending on the make and model of your graphics processor. Links to all models of drivers can be found in the description below. This report runs when you open the app, but you can access it at any time by using the toolbar at the top of your screen to go to Help, System Compatibility Report. If there's a reason you don't want to see the System Compatibility Report on launch, you can disable it by going to Edit, Preferences, General, and unchecking the box next to Show System Compatibility Issues on Startup. On Mac, it's under Premiere Pro, Preferences, General. Hope this helps.